Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. I have taken an initiative. I am helping people learn stock market, and if you want to learn, you can check my contact information link in description box. Thank you for that, and let's analyze this stock Indigo. If you will watch this stock, then you will see that the stock has actually managed to hit the lifetime high of 1800 rupees. Okay, lifetime high of 1800 rupees. Okay, around 1800 rupees. Okay, what can happen in this stock? See, today the stock has given a bearish closing. Okay, and from the past few days, this level is acting as a resistance for this stock. What can happen further? See, if the stock goes below this level, okay, below this level 1598.94, remember, this stock Indigo is actually uh, considering to raise its capital through some or the other channels, but there is no such confirmation that the stock has actually gained some sort of a capital from any other investor or not on public. Okay, the public doesn't know what can happen. See, if there is a good news about investment, the stock will give a breakout above 1700 rupees. Okay, and as soon as it goes above 1700 rupees, it will further move towards 1800 rupees. Okay, and if it goes below this level, see 1580, then you should short this stock as soon as possible for 1500 rupee target on intraday basis. Why I am telling you? Because see, market doesn't fall in channels, market doesn't fall in like this, market will fall like this. It will fall, go upside, fall, go upside, fall again. Okay, it will not stop for you or for me. It will continue to fall, and it can fall up till 10%, 12%, 15%. Okay, so the move must be very violent, then it is easy for a trader to trade it. Okay, see, this level is acting as a resistance. 1618.85.90 rupees is acting as a resistance for this stock, just because there is no clear picture about this stock, that where the investors are investing or not investing, whether they are interested to invest in this stock or not. So the stock is stuck in this range. If the stock will give an upside breakout above these levels, then only consider buying this stock, but let any 1 hour candle close above this level, mark my word, 1 hour candle close above 1700 rupees, then only consider buying this stock. Why I am telling 1 hour candle? Just because in 15 minute or in 30 minute, it can happen that the one 15-minute candle can close above this level. Okay, and another high can be made in next 15 minutes, and after that the stock will reverse and start to fall like anything. This can also happen with this stock, so be very careful while trading this stock. So thank you for watching.